Okay, so for your back to wall toe raise, the muscle that we're going to be focusing on is our tibialis anterior muscle. So that's going to be from that shin. It comes across the body like that, wraps around, helps support the arch of that foot as it inserts underneath that big toe area. So what we're going to do here is back to wall. The further out from the wall your feet are, the more difficult this exercise gets. So you can make it easier by moving feet back or more difficult by moving feet forward. So with your back against the wall, we'll practice good posture and chin position. So make sure that you're driving the head up toward the ceiling and you have that chin tucked in. So back is against the wall, and from here, you're just raising your feet as hard and as high as you can off the ground, and then slowly controlling the toes back to the ground. So I'm slowly coming all the way up, squeezing as much as I can, and slowly coming down. We're going to try to keep the feet nice and even, so I don't want to be rolling out or squeezing in too much with this one. Just keeping everything nice and neutral. So again, squeezing all the way up, pause for a second, and slowly control back down.